Next question. If a fasting person, he's been fasting the whole day, decides to travel in the afternoon, he starts his travel in the afternoon, is it compulsory on him to break his fast, or is it optional? What is the best solution for him?
If a person starts the travel midday or in the afternoon, and if he's in the hometown till afternoon, it becomes fard for him to keep the fast at least till that time. Only time a traveler is permitted to break the fast is when he leaves the hometown. If he decides that he's going to leave in the afternoon, it's not possible that he does not fast in the morning. He has to fast in the morning because there can be change of plans. If he decides in the afternoon, he may change his plan. So then it will be a sin on him. So if a person is traveling, the only time he can break the fast is when he leaves the city limits. Until he hasn't left, he should not break. So if he leaves the city limits in the afternoon, he is permitted to break, not that he should break. But if he feels there's no hardship, he can continue fasting and complete his fast. It's optional on him.